In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a manual scouting report and add manual players to it. First, you're going to go to add new scouting reports and you're going to type out your opponent. Select that to go ahead and save the opponent name, and then you can go ahead and select your game date and make sure you have a scout template selected like I do here. Once you click add, that will bring you into the scouting report where you'll see this edit button. If you click on that, you can change the title, the game date, add a team color, and even a logo if you would like. On the keys tab, all you have to do is click into the box and fill out your different keys for this opponent. And now we will toggle over to personnel and add players. Go ahead and select add manual player, and you will see this pop up where you can just go ahead and fill out all of your information for the roster of this team. Once you're done filling all that out, go ahead and select this green checkbox, and you will see that athlete added below. You'll see the add manual player button is now in the bottom left corner, and you can just go ahead and keep selecting that to add the full roster. You can tell which players are manual because you will see this wrench icon below their jersey number here. Once you've added all your players, now you want to add a stat field below. To do that, next to each player, you'll see this actions button. Select that dropdown and click assign stat profile. Now you have this stat profile selected for personnel stats and the current season. Then I'm going to go ahead and select run stat update, and that will add that stat field below that player. Do that for the rest of the roster, and now you have the ability to click into these boxes and type out their stats. Once you type in there, just select off of it and it will save for you for that player. Now we can go into the edit profile button here, and that will bring us in on the notes tab for this player. You'll see this pencil icon underneath the jersey number if you do want to add any pictures for the different athletes here. And then on the notes tab, you can just click in these boxes and type out notes for the players just like you would in keys. If you'd like to add video for the players, you can do that here, and you can even set a matchup for your athletes that they can see on their app. As you're filling out the rest of the players on this roster, you can use the jump to button in the top right corner to toggle between all players. Once you're done, clicking on the team name here will bring you back out to that scout, where you can then fill out any scout plays you might want to add, as well as add any overall video for this team as opposed to personnel video like I showed you inside of the personnel tab. From there, you still have the ability to share the scouting report with your athletes on their app by clicking on the share button here and selecting who you'd like to share it with. You also have the ability to print the scouting report by clicking the print button in the top right. And that is how you create a manual scouting report and add manual players inside of Just Play.